What do you think of when you hear the word millionaire? Do you think of lots of cash, fancy cars, private jets, mansions, being able to travel to exotic places, having servants, pampering yourself, or maybe just spending more time with the people that you love? What if I told you your millionaire dreams could come true by investing in real estate?
Hi, this is Paul Price with Retire Rich with Real Estate. Welcome to our YouTube channel. We've dedicated this channel to teaching people how to invest in real estate, how to get started with little or no money down, how to buy properties, create cash flow, and build wealth. So take a look around, watch some of our videos. If you like our stuff and you find it useful, please press the like button. Also, subscribe to our channel and hit the bell for notifications. That way you get notified anytime we release a video. Thank you for your time and enjoy the channel.